In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat with an unsaved number on WhatsApp web. If you've ever found yourself needing to send a message to someone whose contact you don't want to save immediately, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through a simple process that doesn't require adding the number to your phone, making it ideal for a quick one-time chat. Let's begin by opening a new tab in your internet browser. This could be any browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Make sure you're connected to the internet so we can smoothly proceed to the next steps. Once you have your browser open and ready, draw your attention to the address bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll typically see the URL of the web page you're visiting. Now, here's where the magic happens. In that address bar, you'll need to type in a specific URL, and it's essential to get it right for this to work smoothly. Enter the following: https Directly after the /, you will append the phone number you'd like to contact. But there's an important detail here. This phone number should be in the full international format, which includes the country code followed by the phone number. Not sure about the country code? A quick internet search with the country's name and the words country code should give you what you need. To help clarify, if you're trying to reach someone in the United States and their phone number is 123-456-7890, you would type in https ua.me1112356780. Notice that 1 is the country code for the United States. Similarly, if the person you want to contact is in another country, make sure to find out and use the correct code specific to that region. Once you've carefully entered the complete URL with the correctly formatted phone number, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to a WhatsApp web page, showing you an option to simply click and start a chat with that person. You'll see a green button that says Continue to Chat. Go ahead and click on that, and it will immediately open a new chat in WhatsApp web with the number you've provided. Now, you're all set to send a message without needing to save their contact information on your device. And there you have it. You've successfully started a chat with an unsaved number on WhatsApp web. This is a neat trick to communicate with people temporarily or when you want to keep your contacts list uncluttered. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.